Okay, welcome students. Today we discuss about the unit. Okay, what is unit? Unit is the fixed and definite quantity which we take as our standard reference. That means, so to measure a physical quantity, we take some standard reference as our unit. So the fixed and definite quantity which we take as our standard reference and by which we measure other quantities of same kind is called a unit. Suppose we take the length of to measure the length we take meter as standard reference. Suppose the distance between two cities, is 100 meters, 1000 meters. That means here meter is the standard reference. So it is fixed and definite quantity. That standard reference is taken as unit, and by using of this unit we measure other quantities of same kind. So other distances we measure in terms of this unit. So now there are two types of units, that is fundamental units and derived units. So now let us discuss what is fundamental unit and what is derived unit. Fundamental units are the units of all fundamental physical quantities. The units of fundamental physical quantities are called the fundamental units. So what are fundamental physical quantities? Fundamental physical quantities are independent physical quantities. Those are not dependent upon other physical quantities. Same as fundamental units also independent units. These units are not depends upon other units. So here we take 7 quantities as fundamental physical quantities. So what are the 7 fundamental physical quantities? Those are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. So these 7 physical quantities are taken as fundamental physical quantities. Now the units of these 7 fundamental physical quantities are fundamental units. So now the fundamental units are: for mass the unit is kilogram, for length the unit is meter, for time the unit is second, for temperature the unit is Kelvin, and for electric current the unit is ampere, for luminous intensity the unit is candela, and for amount of substance the unit is mole. So these fundamental units are termed as kilogram as kg, meter as m, second as s, Kelvin as k, ampere. So in some cases AMP in short form capital A, candela is CD, mole that is mole. So these are 7 fundamental units. So the units of 7 fundamental physical quantities here we take as fundamental units. Now derived units. So derived units are the units of derived physical quantities. The units of derived physical quantities are called derived units. Now what is derived physical quantity? So the physical quantity which is derived from fundamental physical quantities or other physical quantities. Same as here the derived units are also derived from fundamental units. The derived units are derived from fundamental units. That means these units are depends upon fundamental units. So for example, unit for speed. So what is speed? Speed is the length by time. So here the unit for length is meter. The unit for time is second. So meter for second is the unit for speed. So this is derived from the fundamental units. So here meter is one fundamental unit, second is another fundamental unit. So the unit for speed is derived from fundamental units. That's why meter for second is the derived unit. So another example is unit of area. So what is area? Area is equal to length into width. So unit for length is meter, unit for width also meter. So now unit for area is meter square. So here meter square is derived units because it is derived from 2 fundamental units, meter and meter. So that therefore meter square is the derived unit. Now so this is all about fundamental units and derived units. Now some other information about the units. So the measurement of any physical quantity, the measurement of any physical quantity is expressed in terms of number and its unit. So measurement, any measurement, a measurement of any physical quantity is expressed in terms of number and unit. So suppose height of the building, that is the measurement of physical quantity. So it is expressed in terms of 5 meter. So here 5 is the number and meter is the unit. So any measurement of a physical quantity is expressed in terms of number and its unit. Now the relation among number and unit, the relation between the number and its unit is taken as the number is inversely proportional to the unit. Number is always inversely proportional to the unit. In other words, number and its unit, the product of number and its unit is always constant.